Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Gabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 43. And therefore, without wasting any of the time, let's go directly to our quiz. An important site of red blood cell production. Spongy tissue of many bones. Muscles and ligaments support the flexible and curved backbone. Synovial joints. The most common and are freely movable, found at the shoulders and knees. Cartilaginous joints. Fill the space between some bones and restrict movement. Example between vertebrae. Fibrous joints. How fibrous tissue connecting bones and no cavity is present. Compact bone is also known as cortical bone. Compact bone one consists of tightly packed cells. 2. It is strong, dense and rigid. 3. Avasian canals run vertically through compact bone. They are surrounded by lamellae, which are concentric circles of bone tissue. The space between are called lacuna. Spongy bones. One consists of trabecula. 2. They are lightweight and porous, which helps reduce the bone's overall weight. 3. Red bone marrow manufactures red and white blood cells. 4. In long bones, the diaphysis consists of compact bone surrounding the marrow cavity and a spongy bone containing red marrow in the epiphysis. Trabeculae. Network of girders with open space filled with red bone marrow. What is the longest phase of the cell cycle? Interphase. When does the nuclear division of somatic cells take place? During cellular reproduction. Mitosis. Which blood vessel contains the least oxygenated blood? Pulmonary artery. Which layer of the heart contains striated muscle fibers for contraction of the heart? Myocardium. Where is the interstitial fluid found? In tissues around the cells. Which type of cell secretes antibodies? Plasma cells. Where does gas exchange occur in the human body? Alveoli. An atom has 5 protons, 5 neutrons, and 6 electrons. What is the electric charge of this atom? Negative, because the atoms have more electrons than protons. The atom has a negative charge. Which structure has the lowest blood pressure? Vein. Which heart chamber is the most muscular? Left ventricle. Which part of the brain interprets sensory information? Cerebrum. The flow of blood in heart goes in what direction? Right to left. Dear friends, thank you very much for using human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabe. Bye bye for now.